I'm Joel from CHS department, presenting the assembly and disassembly of computer. Now, this is the unit that I assemble and disassemble. Now, I turn off this computer. Then, unplug it. Then, I demonstrate how to disassemble it properly. The first thing you to remove is the system key. And before you touching any computer components, you must use anti-static grease trap. In the absence of anti-static grease trap, you must ground yourself to the system to discharge your static electricity. Now I can removing all the connectors of a power supply. Now I can remove this ATX power supply and the 4 pin. This is the 4 pin power connector. After removing all the power connectors, I can remove this power supply. This is the power supply. Now I can remove all the IDE connect. After this, I can remove the 2 CD-ROM. This is the 2 CD-ROM. After this, I can remove this hard disk. Be careful to remove this hard disk because this is sensitive. This is the hard disk. After this, I remove this pan. Before you remove this pan, you don't forget to remove the connector. Tama yun. This is the pan and the heatsink. After this, I remove this processor. This is the processor. Okay. After to remove this processor, I remove this memory card. Ulit again. This is the memory. After to remove this memory, I remove this CMOS battery. This is the CMOS battery. Now I remove the all components of a system unit. Then now I try to back all the components that I removed. I, the first is the processor. Don't forget the lock. Next are the heatsink and fan. Don't forget this connector. Don't forget this connector.